In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clickable email address to your YouTube channel. Adding a visible, clickable email to your channel is one of the easiest ways to let brands, collaborators, or viewers contact you professionally. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to the YouTube homepage. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that owns the channel you want to edit. If you have multiple channels, double check that you're in the right one before you change anything. Once you're on YouTube, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture or channel icon there. Click on that profile icon to open a drop-down menu. This menu is where you access all the creator tools for your account. From this drop-down, click on the option labeled YouTube Studio. This will take you into your channel's main control panel, also known as the dashboard. YouTube Studio is where you manage your videos, analytics, comments, and channel settings. When YouTube Studio opens, focus on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different sections like content, analytics, and so on. In that menu, click on Customization. This is where you control how your channel looks and what information appears publicly. Inside the customization section, you may see several tabs along the top, such as layout, branding, and basic info. The contact email is usually under the basic information for your channel. Scroll down the page until you find a section called Contact Info or something very similar. In that section, you'll see a field where you can enter an email address. Click into that email field and type in the email you want people to use when they contact you. It's a good idea to use a professional address that you're comfortable sharing publicly rather than a private, personal one. Also, check carefully for typos, because this is what viewers will click on to reach you. Once you've entered your email and you're happy with it, look back up to the top right corner of the page in YouTube Studio. You should see a Publish button. Click on Publish to save and apply your changes. This step is crucial. If you forget to publish, your new contact email won't appear on your channel. After publishing, you can visit your channel page as a viewer to confirm that the clickable email is now visible in your About section. And that's it. Your YouTube channel is now set up with a clear, professional way for people to get in touch.